everyone, welcome to LCC Food. I am Labdi Jain and today we are making Jain Paneer Veg Roll. So for that we'll prepare the marination for the veggies. For that we need half cup of hung curd, 2 tablespoons of roasted besan, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, half teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon Kitchen King Jain masala, 1 teaspoon dhana powder, 2 teaspoon green chili paste, 1 tablespoon oil and salt to taste. We'll mix all the ingredients well. Once we've mixed all the ingredients well, we'll add the veggies. We've taken 1 cup of mixed bell peppers, 4 pieces of baby corn. We'll mix this well first and then add the paneer. Now we are taking 200 grams of paneer diced and we'll marinate all the veggies well. Now we've mixed all the veggies in the marination. So our marination is ready. We'll put this in the fridge for 1 hour. Till the time our veggies are getting marinated in the fridge, we'll prepare a dough for the roti. We are taking 1 cup of maida, half cup of atta, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste. We'll mix this well. We have combined all the ingredients well. Now we'll knead the dough with the water. We'll take water as required. We need to make a soft dough like roti. So now our dough is ready. We have to make a soft dough like this. We'll grease the dough with some oil. Cover the dough and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. By the time our dough is getting rested, we'll make green chutney for the roll. For that we need 1 tablespoon of peanuts, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of hing, 6 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, salt to taste. In that we'll put 1 cup of coriander leaves and half cup of mint leaves. We'll put very little water as we need thick chutney and we'll grind this and make it a paste. So now our green chutney is ready and we'll keep this aside. So now our chutney is ready and our dough has also rested well. So we'll roll out thin rotis and half roast them and keep it ready. We have divided our dough into 10 equal portions. So we'll roll out big and thin roti. Occasionally dust some dry flour if required. Now that we've rolled out thin and big roti, we'll half roast the rotis and keep it aside. To half roast the roti, we'll need a hot tawa. We'll put the roti. Now we'll flip this over. Take a cloth and just press this and this is done. We'll keep this aside and we'll do all the other rotis the same way. So now our rotis are ready and our vegetables and paneer are also marinated. So we'll put them in the skewers. So now we'll put this on the tawa and put some oil and let it roast. If you don't have the skewers, you can put only on the tawa. We have to roast this from all the sides. By the time this is getting roasted, we'll heat our pan, apply some butter on the roti and roast it from both the sides. We don't have to make the roti crispy, we have to keep it soft. We'll flip the roti and just take it out on the plate. We'll put some green chutney. We'll put the paneer and the veggies on the roti. Sprinkle some chaat masala and roll it. And now our paneer roll is ready to be served. I hope you all have enjoyed our recipe. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on our Instagram page @LCC Food. Thank you.